Hello, guys. This is Juan. I am coming to you again with the new series of Hit the Ground Running. I This is one of my personal subject matters that I felt that would have prepared me for the challenges that are waiting for uh, new broker coming into the industry. Again, my name is Juan. I'm with State to State Freight Brokers, and you can find us at www.state-to-state-freightbrokers.com. I will be sharing with you our experiences that we're having in the freight brokerage, and I will be hopefully sharing something with you as I tell my customers, something with you that you can learn to take with you to improve your operations at the least. What our intentions are with these videos are to um, really infuse ourselves, or you infuse yourselves with us, to create a network of savvy brokers coming together, working together to accomplish one common goal, which is to move commodities across the highways in our great country, the USA. So, without further ado, let me proceed. As you guys know from the previous series of what did I get myself into, I like to have these videos as raw as possible. My editing crew that's coming on board, I'm trying to convince them that, listen, I want these to be unscripted, so that way you as the viewer are able to get, that organicness of the information. But anyhow, we are in a $1.4 trillion industry, and what that means is there's a lot of food on the table that is accessible. However, it's a matter of getting yourself in the position to be a part of this ginormous machine of revenue. And so, with that, we want to cover some of the freight broker basics uh, of hitting the ground running. You got to have your software, um, which we could have a whole series on software. Um, the technology you want to, this is for those of you that have already um, purchased your computers and your printers, and you have your screen set up and your monitors, and now you're looking all professional. You got your 3 screens or 2 screens or whatever's convenient for you to work. But at the end of the day, you can have all this technology, and if you don't know how to use it, yikes, that will be a problem. So I probably will have a series on what software to use. But one of the tips, though, that I can share with you about in acquiring your software is to um, not buy it prematurely, because at the end of the day, you want to save money and you want to cut costs as much as possible, especially those of you that are getting your business plans together now, going back through them, and you're going through the cost analysis subtitle section of your um, cost and profit and losses and everything. You're cutting costs. Listen, there's going to be some software programs that are going to be really questionable on whether you need to use them or not. So be aware of that. And I probably will do a segment on that. Have a plan. The plan is more so who are you going to target, and make sure that you give your customer a reason to do business with you, and cut the sales pitches out of your. If you're a salesperson like myself, I had a rude awakening that the sales, the the typical, always be closing has to be really massaged into more of a connecting with your customer and understanding what their ultimate needs are, and being able to give them value and offering them a solution to their current operation, that's a dance, and you really have to. So you really want to go in knowing what approach you're going to take for that target market. And I will definitely get into target marketing, because the big statements that are made as you're looking at all the numerous amount of videos that you can see, the ones that will stick out the most, and the statement that will be said the most is make sure you find a niche. And we'll get into niches, and I did speak on niches in the What Did I Get Myself Into series, so check that out. How much time to spend is a really good tip. Listen, don't spend too much time on acquiring a customer. And the reason being is because you will feel like you didn't get anything done that day. This is a marathon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a marathon. So you want to pace yourself, and again, have a game plan. As you identify your target, have a game plan of how you're going to move forward. I hate that these videos are so short, but I did that on purpose. So anyway, stay tuned to us on part 2 of this, where we're going to get into not spending so much time. And the mega mentorship program is what you are able to inquire about. Go to www.state-to-state-freightbrokers.com and mention that you want to, you're inquiring about the mentorship, or you can subscribe down there at the bottom. Subscribe and make a comment that you would like more information on the mega mentorship program. But that's all my time for this segment, and we will get back to you in part 2 on Hit the Ground Running.